In this question, you have to identify the reasons for the loss of biodiversity. Now, the major causes of biodiversity loss include overexploitation, that is, excessive harvesting of species. For example, overfishing or hunting that leads to population decline and extinction. Then, co-extinction, that is, when a species becomes extinct, other species which are dependent on it, if they are having any mutualistic partner or a specialized predator, it may also become extinct. And finally, habitat loss and fragmentation, because the destruction or the division of the ecosystem due to urbanization or agriculture or deforestation, it disrupts the ecosystem and certainly reduces the biodiversity. Hence, A, B, and D are the major reasons for the biodiversity loss. Thus, the correct answer is option B.